Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. For this recipe I'll be using this cup for the measurement. So I have measured already 5 cups of all-purpose flour, and I will be adding in 1 teaspoon of nutmeg. I also be following it up with half a teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, which is equivalent to a tablespoon that you use in eating. I will be adding 1 cup of sugar. And that's all for the dry ingredients. So I'll be stirring it now. If you are making use of powdered vanilla, you can add it now before adding the wet ingredients. For this, I'll be making use of 2 large eggs. I will whisk it first before I add the eggs. Then I will follow it up with 80 grams of margarine or butter, about 4 tablespoons, that's eating spoon. Then I combine it together. Then after that, gradually adding 1.5 cups of milk. I've added 1 cup now. Then I will combine like so, adding the remaining half, then keep mixing it together. You can use your hands to mix this, that's your fingers. You can also use a spatula or a wooden spoon. Now I'm changing into using my hands. Add about 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence and keep combining everything together. And please, if you are still watching up to this extent, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Please share out my video to your family, friends and loved ones. You can start frying it like this if you want a hard buns, very crunchy outside. But because I want it soft for my kids, so I added like 1/4 of water to make it softer. As you can see, it looks softer now. So it's ready to go inside the oil. If you like, you can leave it to rest for like 10 minutes before deep frying it. But for me, I've been heating the oil long while ago. So I've started throwing it inside the oil to fry it because my kids can't wait to eat this. If you are finding it difficult to use your thumb and your index finger to cut this, dip your hand first inside the water before taking the quantity you will put inside the oil, and just like so, it will be flowing so easily. And once it turns to golden brown, scoop it out and repeat the process. You can also dip your ice cream spoon inside oil and scoop it and throw it inside the oil. As easy as ABCD. I was able to get at least 61 pieces of buns. So if I'm selling this now, I make a huge amount of money. Please do let me know in the comment section if you'll be trying this out. And also let me know where you're watching this video from. Drop your location in the comment section, okay? And that is it for today's video. Bye and see you soon.